student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Doing study at home. Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School, situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of computer. Today I will teach you computer chapter 2, use of a computer. So previous video you have learned usage of a computer in daily life. Okay student. So without time wasting, take out your computer book IT Vision. Open chapter 2, computer of a use of a computer. Okay students. Computer are used to control large and small machine which in the past vary controls by humans. They are also in home where they are used for things such as listening to movies, music, reading and the news and writing. Okay, a computer can do a number of things. That is what make it a wonderful machine. First one, listen to music. All the students on your computer and listen to music. Second one, drawing and coloring. Okay, now third one, playing games. Okay students, now fourth one, watching cartoons. Fifth one, typing a document. Now sixth one, looking for information. Now sixth one, looking for information. Okay students. You know about the student, the use of computer and their speaking function. You know about the student, the use of computer and their speaking function to give knowledge to the student. To about use of computer in different manners for many process. Okay, we can listen music, play games, watch movie and etc. So first one, today I will teach you the topic use of computer and we say cartoons, video, games, watch movies, listen music and draw picture with enjoy the on computer. Okay, according to the student, now today explain topic place where computers are used. Okay students, what is the place of where computer is used? School, home, office, bank, shop, hospital and first one, school. Now first one, school, to teach and learn, to maintain record of students. computer are used in school. In school for teaching and learning. Okay, in school for teaching and learning, to touch and learn, to maintain records of documents. Okay students, is that clear? Now second one, home. Now second one, home. At home for a school is an educational institution designed to provide learning space and learning environments for the teaching of the students under the direction of teachers. Most countries have systems of formal education which is commonly compulsory. In this system, students progress through sessions of schools. Okay. Now second one, at home. Now second one, at home. At home for study and playing games. At home for study and playing games. To play games and watch movies. Computers used at home to play games and watch movies. Now second one, to do homework and project on the computer. Okay, so at home for study and playing games. After all, at home for study and playing games. Is that clear, students? Now second one, office. Now second one, office. In office for doing work. In office for doing work on a computer. Okay, to write and store official files on the computer. To write and store office. To write and store official files in a computer. Okay, to present official reports on the computer. To present official report on the computer. Okay students, in office work, in office for doing work. Is that clear, students? Hospital. 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 To do medical test on patient. Hospital use your computer to do medical test on patient. Okay, right. Now second one, make a medical reports. Okay students, make a medical reports on a computer. Once again, hospital use a computer to do medical test on patient, to make medical reports. It's just clear. Now second one, shops and malls. So shops and malls, to make and print bills. Shops and malls use of computer, all the members. So shopping the malls and report for reporting on a computer, like that mail bills, to make and print bills. So all the customers sell things to printed a bill on a computer to make and print bills to keep a record of. Okay, to keep a record of. Okay students, is that clear? So we will learn spelling of school. So students, spelling of school, SCHOOL, school. After that, spelling of home, HOME, home. Then after that, spelling of office, OFFICE, office. Okay. Then after that, learn spelling of hospital. Spelling of hospital, HOS HOSPITAL, hospital. Then after that, learn your spelling shops and malls. Spelling of shops, 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 and malls, MALLS, mall. Okay students, thank you, bye and take care.